Good morning. Let's do the next question. Case study 2. Here in this question there are two boats A and B on the opposite sides of the river. This is point P on the bridge above the 20-meter above the river. From here the angle of depression to the for boat A is 30 and for boat B is 45. And now we consider these two as a parallel line as the river is parallel to that of the bridge. So therefore, this is 30, then this will also become 30, the alternate interior angle. In the same case, apply here, this is 45, so this is again 45. Now, in the first question, it is asked, find the distance traveled by boat A to reach the point D. Means how much distance the boat A have to travel to reach to the point D. So for this, we will considering the triangle ADP, ADP, and using the trigonometry formula. So this is we are taking 1030, 1030, opposite of angle 30, adjacent of angle 30. So this is your PD, AD. So what we have PD is 20 and AD, we know the value of 1030 is 1 by root 3. So from here we are getting AD equals to 34.6 meter. That means that the distance traveled by boat A to reach the point B in the river is 34.6 meter. Now moving to the second part. Now on the second part we have to find the width of the river. So we simply know that the width of the river is equals to AD plus BD. So we have find AD in the first part. Now we need to find BD. For BD again we are taking the triangle that is your BDP. So here again we are applying the trigonometry. We get 1045. Opposite of angle 45, adjacent of angle 45, 1045. This is PD by BD. Value of PD 20. So we're getting BD equals to 20 meter. Therefore, the width of the river equals to AD plus BD. That is 34.6 plus 20. That will equals to 54.6. Okay, now moving to the part 3A. So in part 3A, we need to find which boat reached the point D first. So for that, we know that time equals to distance by speed. And we have the speed of the motorboat A is 10 meter per second. And the distance covered by the motorboat A to reach point D, that is AD equals to 34.6. Now using this formula of time, the time taken by the motorboat A to reach the point D, distance by speed, so that is time is 3.46 seconds. Again, the speed of the motorboat B is 5 meter per second. The distance covered is 20, then the time taken is equals to 4 seconds. Now we clearly see that the boat A reach first at the point D. The boat A reached the point D first earlier by 4 seconds minus 3.46 seconds, that is 0.56 seconds. Now if we move to the next 3B, so here it is asked what is the distance between the two boats after 3 seconds. Okay, so first we'll find the distance traveled by both the boats in 3 seconds. For that distance we know speed into time. The distance covered by the boat A in 3 seconds, it is 30 meter. Distance covered by boat B in 3 seconds equals to 15 meter. Now the distance between the two boats after 3 seconds is total distance minus distance traveled by the two boats in 3 seconds. So now this will give you what? We know the total distance was 54.6 meter and the distance traveled in 3 seconds, that is 45 meters. So now after 3 seconds the distance between the two boats would be 9.6 meter.